Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you the basics using Intra Constructor. The benefit of this tool is easy and fast creation of your next lighting system, and overall is just a perfect tool for your linear lighting solutions. The first thing you would want to do is to choose your mounting type. So let's for example choose suspended. That will take you to the next step, in which you can choose between different product lines offered within chosen mounting type. Here you can already browse through the technical specification or explore more details by clicking here. So let's for example choose Guion. At this stage you can see the photo of the product and reference photos from different lighting solutions, and you can get high resolution photos by clicking on them. What you should do here is to choose product features like optics. If you need any help with understanding the abbreviation, click on the I where you can find some extra explanation. Scrolling further down reveals tabs for choosing LED color temperature or light output, drivers, emergency models, and suspension. Here a 1.5 meter suspension is a standard measurement, but you can also choose different suspension length that will affect your pricing. Then the next step, you choose your color tag will show up here. Click next step and choose your system shape, for example L shape, and then you can start designing your system on canvas. The first thing to do is to enter your measurements in millimeters and press enter to calculate your closest system dimensions. After doing that, you can see a short list of your system information here for the first time. So by pressing plus or minus, you can change your system dimensions and fit the length of chosen models according to the length, optimal costs, or air transport requirements. You can simply change between the options down here. You can also zoom in or zoom out the canvas. You can drag it around or fit the screen. Anyway, here on the left bottom side of the page, you can see 4 tabs. First one gives you the possibility to flip your system vertically. Here you can save your system if you are a registered user or create a new product. So when you're happy with the dimensions of your system, it's time to choose the position of emergency models by clicking on the green fields on the canvas, and you can check the value of lumen outputs here. Here you can find an information about power in position, which is normally positioned on the straight point, but it's possible to change it by clicking on the blue area on the canvas, but any change will reflect the pricing. Here you can also change the circuit breaker and see the difference this makes in the number of systems. If your chosen driver is fixed output, you can also choose the switching of different parts of your system separately by simply clicking on each model. Okay, so now you click Finalize, and this is where things get interesting, because this is a step where you can already get a short presentation of your system with all its technical data. At the top you can see your system information with its unique code, which you should also use when ordering your lighting system. Down here we can see a photo of product, reference photos, and a summary of system information such as energy efficiency and certificates. Scrolling down gets you to the top and side view of your system with dimensions, system summary, photometry, features, and packaging details with dimensions and weight. At the bottom you can once again check the complete list of your models and its basic informations such as fixing point and switching line and all the package details. So what can you do with this information? We've prepared a variety of download options. You just have to click on a tab in front of information you want to download and click download. You can also choose a reference photo that suits your system best. But the best thing to do at this point is to register, as it offers you a possibility to save multiply projects on your profile, to share your system with your colleagues and clients, to request the prices, or to save time by multiplying your system when you only need to change the dimensions. One of the benefits is also a possibility to customize the delivery of your packaging. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and happy planning!